Yeah, overall I feel really well. Things went really quick and really good. The recovery went really quick and good after the surgery in November. So I've been back on the bike in January and back on the Enduro bike in early February. So really good, really happy. Speed is there, endurance is there, everything is good. So looking forward to the first race. Yeah, super happy with the new bike, the new GASGAS. I mean, I love the new bike, I love the looks of it, and it just rides super smooth. So loving the new bike and enjoying every single second I ride it. Yeah, I'm super motivated, and looking forward to the start of the season in Lagares in a few weeks. It's been a year since we raced, so super pumped that we're going to go back and race and do what we do best. Yeah, trials is the best way to get back into riding. Like I had surgery in November, and I've been back on the bike in January. Riding my trials bike for a month. Just building my strength up my shoulder and everything, and then building my confidence. So definitely, it's a great crossover training tool, and it helps with technique, but also with building yourself back up after when you get hurt. So massive. Plus to have GASGAS range to have trials range in GASGAS. I always race to be up front, and definitely, I put in a lot of work to be ready for the season. To be up there, fighting for the podium and trying to get wins. So definitely that's the big goal, and we'll try to go as hard as we can, and we'll see where we're at the first race. Well, I still love racing. I love racing. I'm not I'm not crazy about just putting in the work, but I love to be prepped. When it comes to racing. So I love to put in the work to be ready for the race day. I still really do it. To be super competitive at the races and try to win. I think this is like the biggest motivation, and I still love it. So it's that's basically it. I definitely will continue for another few years. And try to have as much fun as I can, So yeah, definitely some good times ahead. Well, I know that we've been really privileged, on being supported by big sponsors and big factory teams, through the pandemic. But all the other riders, I know they went through some tough times. So. Guys, hang in there, and it's gonna get better. And the most important thing, we're gonna be back racing very soon. So we're gonna be back smiling and having fun and racing, and it's gonna be good. So we're going back to normal, and everything's gonna go back to where it used to be.